What's going on, everyone? I just got done editing all of our Disneyland videos and California Adventure videos. We had season passes for about a year, and on the rides I took my 4K gimbal stabilized low light camera. So for the next few weeks I'll be dropping those videos. So if you want to see what the ride's about, stay tuned and we'll take you on a POV adventure. Go, 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 buddy. Go, go, go. Oh, look at, there's Thor's hammer.
What? What?
It's a hammer. Looks like Thor's hammer. Look at all the axes on the wall. It's the Guardian of the Galaxy.
Oh.
You've never seen it. You want me to show you the movie?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we hold your jacket? Alright. Yeah. Alright. Bye.
The galaxy. You are now standing in my private office.
I know!
Right,
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Enough of this guy! What? Of course I escape! A billion volts may be a good deterrent, but it also turns an electric toothbrush into a very aggressive drill. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy, the smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm sneaking through the ducts, and I'll meet you on top of your lift and take us all the way up to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance. Then the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh, and look what I swipe. Now move it.
Pretend. Because everything at Disneyland's pretend. What do you think about? Raise your hands. Do it. They're gonna scan us. Raise your hands. All right, we're in.
You may now enter the gantry lift.
No, it does not.
Okay, come on. Oh, I guess we do get the front.
What are we doing in the front?
We get the front right here. That's what you up. Go that way, all the way to the end, all the way to the end.
What are you doing in the front?
We sit and it goes up and down. Like the jelly, you know the jellyfish we do? The jumping jellies? Mm-hmm. It's like that but fast. Say, we're ready.
We're ready.
Alright, she's gonna ask you to tug your rope. Tug right here, the yellow.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared, I got you. It just goes up and down. No turning back now, okay? You can scream if you want to, if it makes you feel better.
My dear friends, this is the moment I've been waiting for.
Hey, see? We're gonna go up fast. We're gonna go fast.
buddy. I got you. You're okay. There it is. Up and down, up and down.
You got my Walkman.
Yeah, those are the superheroes. Yeah, there's Groot. See Groot? See ya. Say bye. Here we go. One more. Good job. Are you okay? It's over. It's over. Good job, Dixie. Okay. But you're brave. Good job, buddy.
That's so scary.
Okay. So you didn't like it? Okay, last time was good. Good job, though.
No, I don't want to do it next time.
Okay, you don't have to.
Never do it again.
Okay, go. Should we go look at your picture?
That's very scary.
Was that too scary for you?
Yeah, I was never going to that again.
Okay. But you did so good. You were brave. Here, so should we go find her picture?
Not very scary.
I held you. You were good. All right, let's go find mom.
Cars is better, but cars goes fast, so it's better.
Yeah, let's find mom and sissy and brother. Oh, there they are. Look. Oh, look, you're right here, Nixon.
I wasn't sure what it was going to happen. I was just going like this.
Alright, you gotta hold pose.
You want to see? Here, sis. Hold that.
Yeah, I did right there.
You did a good job, buddy.
That was scary.